Stuck at home? Don't know what to make? Stranded? Here's an easy stuck at home pressure cooker goulash recipe. Let me show you how easy this is, and you probably have these ingredients sitting around your kitchen. I'm here. Hi everybody. I'm going to show you how easy this is. You probably have these ingredients sitting around. If not, you can make your goulash however you like. You don't have to add ground beef. You could add chicken, turkey, ham, whatever you happen to have around, but it's good with pasta. Elbows are good. I'm going to use that. Let me turn my Instant Pot pressure cooker on to saute mode, because I'm going to brown up a third of this meat. I have 3 pounds of ground beef here, and we're going to try to conserve that and use 1/3 of it right now. Let me warm this up and show you how I brown it. Alright, I have a very lean meat here, 95% lean, 5% fat. So I'm going to add a splash of olive oil into my pressure cooker. And you don't have to use an Instant Pot, you can use whatever brand of pressure cooker you have. Just a splash in there, about 2 tablespoons. It's getting warm. I'm going to conserve my meat, so I'm going to cut it in thirds. Save the other 2/3 for another recipe. I'll make some hamburgers for later or for tomorrow. So let's just guess. That's thirds, right? How does that look to you? I'm going to use this third for our goulash. Put the other 2/3 in big plastic bags. Put them in the refrigerator. Alright, it should be warm enough now. Put in our ground beef. Approximately 1 pound. Let's hear some sizzling. Oh, we heard some sizzling. Brown that up. It's gonna be good. Very lean. I like that. Alright. Let that brown up nicely. While it's finishing its browning, I'll rinse off my potatoes and quarter them. Leave the skins on, that's okay. More vitamins. Yummy. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm going to put in some green beans. You can put in whatever vegetable you like. Make it nice and healthy for you. I put in some squeezed garlic, which is easy, and it's also a good antioxidant. Keep us healthy. Cut these into quarters. Well, the small one I'll just cut in half. Big one, cut in quarters. Goulash. Elbow macaroni. Hamburger. Potatoes. Any kind of vegetable you like. You could put onions in here. You could put green peppers in here. Carrots, corn, whatever you like. Whatever you happen to have around the house. And it's going to be a gourmet meal. It really will be. How's that? That's good. Stir up this meat. Browned up quick. Nice. It's too bad we're all stuck at home like this, but you're gonna have a nice meal, and it could be worse. You know, let's keep our chins up and look forward to the future of better days. I'm gonna put some paprika in there and some thyme, whatever spices you like, salt and pepper. Get them out here, get them ready. You could use vegetable stock or beef stock, whatever kind of stock you have. If you don't have any stock, you can use water, which I'm going to use right now. We'll start with 2 cups and see how that looks, because we want our macaroni or pasta to be covered in liquid. Goulash. Or you could melt cheese on it at the end. Imagine that. Be like a goulash casserole. Now that looks to be browned up pretty good for our purpose here, and we don't even have to drain it. See that? Hardly any grease in there because of the 95% lean. Beautiful. I like it like that. Let me cancel my saute mode. Now you might not have a saute mode or a browning mode, but you might have. But if you don't, just put it on meat or one of your other functions until it gets hot enough and you can brown like that. Okay, now I'm going to start by adding 2 cups of water until I add my other ingredients. This is so easy, isn't it? The most work I had to do was brown the meat and cut the potatoes. Okay, that's 2 cups of measured water. Now we'll add our potatoes. Oh, that was 6 medium-sized potatoes. Or on the small side. Easy. Open my can of green beans, or whatever vegetable you decided on. I'm going to drain the liquid out of this can. And add them to our goulash. Remember, change this however you like. Okay? I have 1 pound of elbow macaroni. I don't know if I'm going to use the whole thing. Let's see how it looks when I put it in there. Definitely could, but I'm wondering if the meat to macaroni ratio might be a little small. Do we mind? We don't mind. So that's 2/3 of a box. Let's see how that looks. I'm going to add a little more liquid as well. I guess it'll be okay to add the whole box. 1 pound going in. That's okay, right? Yes, it is. Right. I'm going to add another 2 cups of water. Or vegetable stock, whatever you happen to be using. Beautiful. Some of my delicious squeezed garlic, brand new. If you happen to have fresh garlic, you can mince it up, but this is so convenient. You can also chop some onions and put them in there. Whatever you like. Let's add as much as we want of this. Oh, this is so delicious. It smells so good. Let's see. Say that's a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. Yeah. I've always found when I didn't feel good one day, I would eat about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, and the next day I'd feel better. You know, if I have a sore throat or just feel like I'm getting a cold or something. Garlic is really good for that. It really is. Some paprika for color and good flavor. Oh. What do you think? And some thyme, because I love thyme. And I have nothing but thyme this week. Say a tablespoon of that. Take that little lid over there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Smell that? So fragrant. Salt and pepper. If you like it, like I do. I believe I'm going to add 1 more cup of liquid. Look at this. I bet you can't wait to taste this. And this is going to be 5 minutes on high pressure. 1 more cup of water. So that's 5 cups of liquid. Put the lid on. Wait till you see this in 5 minutes. After the pressure builds up, of course. Make sure your lid's on good. Make sure you're in pressure mode in the back here, which you probably are. I've already forgotten that. Then it doesn't come up to pressure. Okay, we're in sealing. This one says sealing. Some say pressure mode. Then we're going to press meat and stew. 10 minutes. I want to go 5 minutes. And that's it. Might take 10 minutes or so for the pressure to build up, and then count down 5 minutes on high pressure. And we're gonna have a stuck-at-home gourmet goulash in a pressure cooker. You can do it too. Remember, change it however you like. I'll probably say that again before I let you go. And this is gonna be my breakfast today, and maybe my lunch tomorrow. What do you think of that? Look in your cabinets, grab whatever you like, throw it in the pot. It's gonna be good. If it ain't good enough, melt cheese on it. Alright, I'll be back when this pressure is ready to be let out. Less than 1 minute remaining. And I smell a little bit of thyme and garlic. It smells so good. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Excellent. You know I'm hungry because it's time to eat. Okay. Keep warm, cancel. Let me release the pressure. And I'll be back to you when the pressure is released. The pressure is almost completely released. We're waiting for that red pin to drop in the back there. Maybe you have that on your pressure cooker or something similar. It smells delicious, as you can imagine. You know what that means. Time to look at it. Ready? Whoa, it's a little bit hot. Let's use this. Whew. Oh, it looks like goulash. Did you see it? Oh, yes. Let me get a spoon over here. Let's stir that up a little bit. Nice goulash. Oh, I like my goulash just like this. Look at the potatoes. Look how tender they are. Can you tell? Let's see. Whoop. Spoon went right through them. Let me get my favorite eating bowl over here. Here it is. Spoon. Green beans. Lots of hamburger. That was a good ratio. Elbow macaroni. Nice tender potatoes. With the skins still on. Oh, garlic, I'm smelling now. The thyme and the paprika. Could add more of that at the end too if you like. Any spice you like right now. And remember what I said before? What I might do is I might melt some cheese on it. Let me see if I got some cheese. I'm sure I do. Yes, I do. I happen to have some leftover pizza cheese. A blend of mozzarella and provolone. Oh, shredded cheese. Oh, yeah. While it's piping hot, put that on top. Beautiful. Stuck at home pressure cooker goulash. Let's give that 2 or 3 minutes to melt and cool a little bit so I don't burn myself when I gotta taste it, okay? So how's that look? Looks good to me. I'm gonna taste it now. Join me in a forkful. Wow, doesn't that look good? Especially with the cheese. Mmm. Ground beef. I never let it cool enough. I have a lot left over too. Mmm. What delicious flavors. Look at that potato. Oh, so good. The thyme and the garlic, the paprika is in there. Delicious lean ground beef. Elbow macaroni. So make something like this in your pressure cooker. Maybe you don't have these exact noodles or potatoes, but you can find a lot of stuff laying around your house in the freezer and the refrigerator and cabinet and make an easy, good, stuck-at-home meal. I'm sorry. So everybody, be healthy, be strong, stay safe. Let's stick together. We'll get through this. Please subscribe for more stuck-at-home ideas and recipes. We're with you, okay? So good. Talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, this is hot.